Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert table of contents in Google Docs. To get started, open the document in Google. After that, select the titles on each page, then, in Styles, click on Heading 1. When you have done this, go to the first page, then click on the Insert menu. Select Table of Contents and choose the desired style. You can see that the titles are automatically added. Now select the subtitles. After that, in Styles, click on Heading 2. Then click on the Table of Contents. Then click on Update Table of Contents. You can see the new content. After this, select the other subtitles. Click Styles, then under Header 2, click Apply Heading 2 or Update Heading 2 to match. After that, update the table of contents again. You can see all the available content. Now click on the More Table of Contents Options menu. You can change the style or perform extra tasks. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.